Hello guys, I'm Anuj Mishra, so I'm back with another video. So today my topic is on how to copy a file name and file folder name available in a folder, in a particular folder, uh, in a text file using command prompt. Alright, using command prompt. So it's a one-liner function. You can just write in formula, you can just write in, and all file names and folder names will be copied in a text file. Alright, so let's begin. So just open the command prompt by typing CMD in the start folder. Alright, so then you need to check that the files you want to, file name you want to copy is available on which folder. So you just need to right click on any file and check the file location, copy the location, and then just go back to command prompt and type cd, then right click. Okay, it's not getting copied here, no problem. So I will type it manually. So cd users 91981 desktop. Alright, so all files and folders I can see here. Okay, so for copying all these files and folder names into a text file, I need to use a command directory greater than sign star dot star to a file copy files dot txt. Sorry, directory star dot star, then copy files dot txt. So you can see the command has been executed. Now go back to the folder and check there one file has been created, copy files.txt. You can just double click and the text file will open, and you can see all files available in the directory has been copied. Alright guys, thank you so much. Keep watching for more interesting topics on Excel or DOS. Thank you so much. Bye.